Alright, here we are at the Covent Viridian. It's kind of a long, narrow property right off of 130th, which is a pretty busy road. But we're going to want to try and stage asphalt equipment on this road, if possible. So we might want to no park that just so we can stage. Asphalt is thin. It's about 1.5 inches thick on this patch, so let's just bid this at 2 inches. As you can see, it is very thin. We'll go apples to apples on this, so we'll copy their measurements. So, yeah, here we go. One's a 10 by 32, following the paint, just gaitered. Number 2's around this tree here, so I'll give you a measurement on that. It's a 20 by 8 attached to a 4 by 6, attached to a 20 by 8 going around this tree. Figure 1 hour root removal on this. Number 3 is going to be right here, and it's gonna come out. Yep, jot over and get that little bit. So I'll give you the measurement on that. Figure 2 hours root removal on this. That's a 15 by 18 attached to a 4 by 9. That's location 3. Location number 4 is right here, and it also has curb section A. And location 5 is just right near the middle of my screen there. And that's a 5 by 35 ending at this paint marker. And then the curb section A is going to be 27 feet, already marked out. Roots on this, 1 hour or so. Patch location 5 is right here. It's tiny. It's just a little 5 by something. Just a little 5 by 9. 6 we have right here is an 8 by 21. The number 7's in these carports right here, and number 8. I'll give you measurements on both. The 7 starts here, ends right there, then 8's just that last stall. 7's a 21 by 11, and the striping for that touch-up's going to be 2 stalls. Same with the curb. Put a bit in to repaint that as well. 1 hour root removal on that. Number 8 also 1 hour root removal. And that's going to be a 7 by 11 on that one. 9 is a 9 by 14, touching up 9 feet of stall, so a half a stall. 10's a 24 by 29, going off the paint markers. I'm going to take it to that seam though. Come across to there. 11 is, let me go around so you can see the whole thing. 11's right here. 1 hour root removal. It's a 7 by something. That something is a 12. 7 by 12. Curb section B is 38 feet. Red, so touch up the red. That last patch, I'm going to continue it. I said they continue it. They leave a 5-foot gap. Doesn't make any sense. So I am going to just add dimensions, these dimensions right here to the same patch. And that's going to be for patch number 10, additional there. And here we go. That's a 28 by 45. Includes removing and replacing these speed bumps, and then quote to paint those yellow also in that price there. So we're going to connect number 50 we'll have to put back also, 12-inch. Number 12 right here is, I believe, the final patch. It's going to be an 8 by 16. 1 hour root removal on that. And I believe that's it. This is a shot of the other entrance here. I'll walk out there, but you can see it's real long and narrow. So, staging on the street is going to be our best bet here. We can't right here, but back on the other side there is parking. You can see the cars down there. That's it. And I lied, it's not it. There's number 13 here, which is a 22 by 66. Starts right at the entrance there. You can see the white mark by the curb, and it comes all the way to this enclosure right here. We're going to go to the stall lines on this one. It doesn't make sense to leave it. Now I think that's it this time.